Hello, this message is for Ray. Ray, this is Josh out at Encore Mustang Parts with your restored set of notchback trim. Apologize, I'm doing this out here in the dusk of night, but I wanted to get this video over to you and get your approval on these parts so that I can get them wrapped up and ready to ship. I know you had some special instructions for me in an email recently, so I'll make sure I review those notes before I ship anything out. I also have a video that I can link at the bottom so you can see how many different sets of coupe trim I go through when an order like this comes in. And again, I want to thank you for your business and being so patient with me while I got this real great set together. So I'm here at a notchback intentionally so that I can hopefully show you that the fitment on these is very, very nice. They're not brand new perfect, but they are extremely nice pieces, and I've only seen one or two little minor flaws which I'll point out to you, but I think this will be a totally adequate set to send. So here's the top trim. So I've restored these. I take an SOS pad and a little Dawn soap type thing, and I just go through and sand off any old dirt, dust, bird poop, stuff like that. I'm trying to get some glare on the subject so you can really see the shape of them. Doing a pretty piss poor job. Apologize about that. Let me see if maybe we'll put some light on the subject. Does that help? Ah, there we go. So real nice shape on the top piece. That's what we're paying attention to right now. And of course, when it's actually got the clips holding it in, it'll take the shape that it's supposed to. So no real flaws or anything to point out on that piece. This is the passenger side little hook here. I laid all these up against the car before I cleaned them, and they all had a real good form to them. I didn't see any dings or dimples or divots or anything in either side of these. So far we're really looked at two, and this will be the third nearly perfect piece. There are just one or two little flaws I need to point out on the big bottom part. But I don't think it'll be anything to detract you from accepting the parts. I really did go through probably 20 or so of these bottom pieces to get the one I chose for you. So good shape all the way through on the driver's side. Kind of hook piece here. No dimples, no kinks, nothing like that. So if you need any more still photographs or anything on these pieces, just let me know. But I'm trying to do, it's actually not too bad with the glare at night. I just got to figure out how to maintain my lighting system. But the bottom piece I'll show you, I think I found one flaw is, God, if I didn't mention it, you'd probably not notice it. There was a paint chip before I started. So, I mean, I sanded it down the best, yeah, right here. I mean, that's not an end of the world kind of a thing, I don't think. I just mentioned it to you that there was a paint chip there. And I sanded it the best I could, and that's kind of what it came out like. But real good shape on this one. So now I'll grab this big old light. We really want to pay attention here. But real great shape on this one. I mean, it form fits to this car very well. A lot of times in improper removal or even storage, these kind of end pieces get folded up. It gets very thin right here. So after this structural piece, a lot of times they'll get kinked and bent up right there. This particular piece is not. But you can see that one dimple or ding, I think, right here on the kind of edge. So if you're looking for damage, which that's my job today, I mean, you're going to find stuff like that. But as far as, and maybe another little tiny one right there under the car light sign. But as far as when it's installed and, you know, you're not out here with a microscope, probably not going to see these types of flaws. There is one more right here in the middle. Yeah, that's a significant ding. It definitely is looking a little accentuated here with the light right on it and everything. Again, if somebody were really looking for it, they might be able to find that. But I believe those to be the only flaws in the bottom piece. As far as a set of 4 pieces, I mean, I think that's a pretty good. There might be a little flare in this piece as well, but you know, I'm out here with a microscope on it and a spotlight, so and again, it's my job to let you know what the flaws are with it. So got the one dimple in the middle here. Maybe I can even kind of get along it. Where is she? It's good when I'm having trouble locating it. So it's right in this area here. A very small little dimple there. And then one, or I think it was 2 on this end and 1 on the other end. But again, I think when these are installed, these are going to be kind of blended away, not really all that noticeable. It's bottom of the back window. And if I flew by it, maybe you'd catch it. Yeah, you catch that one. But again, I don't think it's all that terrible. And normally these pieces are hard to find in perfect. Good luck finding one perfect shape. You know, I'm sure they're out there, but I think this is a pretty good quality set of 4. So if you think these are acceptable, let me know, and I will continue my packaging on them and get it ready to ship. I'll take a look at your notes, and hope I can get your approval on these pieces. So thank you for your business and your patience. I hope to hear from you soon.